In this video, we'll take a look at configuring monitored lines on a 3PCC phone that is registered to WebEx calling. The specific phone I'm going to be using is an 8865 phone, and it's currently registered to WebEx calling. Also, there was a firmware upgrade recently for the 3PCC phones, so currently these phones are running version 12.0.5 SR1. Okay, in WebEx Control Hub, I'm under Devices. I've selected the specific phone, which is an 8865 phone, and then we're going to go to the user for this phone, which I have listed as user 2. We're going to go to the calling section in the menu, and then we're going to go towards the bottom section of the calling menu, and we're going to locate monitoring. So it says between user permissions monitoring, and then this is where we're going to add the monitored lines that we want to basically monitor with the phone. So I'm going to go ahead and select few phones I have in my lab here as an example. So I've added room 17 so far. Let me see what other phone I want to add. Okay, I added an 8841 workspace phone. Let me add one additional phone to this example. Okay, and then I'm going to add room 18 here. Okay, that should be enough. So we have 4 different lines we're going to be monitoring. I'm going to go ahead and save this at this point of time. We want to go back to the phone, so Devices, and it's going to be the 8865 that's online. Okay, we want to go to Device Settings. Okay, we want to make sure Define Custom Device Setting is enabled. The radio button is selected, as you can see in my example. And then the actual option for this might vary based upon the model of phone and firmware you have. Sometimes they may be at the very bottom, sometimes they may be somewhere towards the middle. I believe in this one it should be somewhere towards the middle. So let me go back up here, and okay, there we go, monitor list. So we want to enable this. Okay, we want to hit save now. Okay, we also want to do actions, and we're going to go ahead and apply the changes here. Okay, then we're going to apply changes one more time. Okay, we're going to take a look at the phone now. Typically takes about 10 seconds for the config to be pushed to the phone. Okay, so the phone has just started ingesting the config. Okay, it's applying the configuration. And in this case, the phone will do a reboot. Sometimes they may be a very short, like soft reboot. Other times they may be more of a full reboot. It kind of varies depending on the changes you're making. So we'll give the phone a little bit of time here to go through the reboot phase. Okay, the phone is coming up here. And we have our monitor line. So we have room 17. We also have the workspace for 8841. We have room 18, and then we have John Smith at the bottom. So let me try to do a test call between room 17 and room 18, just so we can see exactly what this is going to look like when we have a monitored line. Okay, so showing that both of those phones are in use now. Okay, well, hopefully this example helps you if you have to configure monitored lines on a 3PCC phone that's registered to WebEx calling. Thank you for watching the video.